Hey everyone, welcome back. If your phone storage is full because of photos and videos, Google Photos can fix this for completely free. Here's exactly how to do it under a minute. First, download the Google app from the App Store or Play Store already if you have not done it. Once it's downloaded, open the app and then sign in with your Google account. After signing in, tap into your profile picture on the top right corner and then tap Photo Settings. Then tap Backup and turn Backup on. Now wait for all your photos to fully upload. You'll see a message that says Backup Complete when it's done. Once that appears, tap your profile picture and this time tap free up space on device, then tap free up space and it will delete all the photos from your phone that are already safely backed up, freeing up gigabytes of space in seconds. Your photos are not gone, they are all safe in Google Photos and you can access them anytime. So all you've got to do is turn on backup, wait for backup to complete, then tap free up space. Done. All your photos stay safe in the cloud forever. Subscribe for more story safe.